Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transcribe your audio, your videos perfectly, professionally with the help of ChatGPT. First of all, you will need to go ahead and install VB audio software cable, either for your Windows or MacBook. It's basically when you will play your video, you can use this software and it will have a really good sound catching, and basically you just need to install it because of it. So first of all, let's install it. Now, once you have installed it, you want to go ahead to your Word. For example, the Word has a dictate option, which we will need. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up. I'm using a Microsoft Word Live. And once you click on dictate option, you're going to see the gear icon, which you want to click. Choose your spoken language, and now you want to go ahead and choose a VB cable. Save it, and now you want to open up your video which you want to transcribe. Now you're gonna go ahead and click dictate and then play your video. Now, after all of this, you're gonna be left with your transcribe. I'm just gonna use this short video, so as you can see, there's not much to it, but you will be left with a really not a good transcript. You will see that there are many mistakes, or maybe some punctuation marks are not great. So that's where the ChatGPT comes in. You're gonna go ahead to ChatGPT. Then you're gonna write here a message, which I have here now, and I'm just gonna leave it maybe in the comments down below or in the description. And you're gonna write down to the ChatGPT that you are a professional transcriptionist, you have a perfect spelling, punctuation, and you know how to format transcripts correctly. And here is the text, which we're gonna go ahead and paste here from our Word document. So, of course, my transcript is really short, but basically you're just gonna go ahead, write that down, and now it will basically correct your transcript really well. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you use ChatGPT for your transcripts. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.